My name is Alison Kalani. I'm a family medicine primary care physician located here at UCLA Health, a family practice group in the Pacific Palisades.
Mr. Russell.
I chose family medicine for a number of different reasons. One is variety, so each day is different and each patient visit can be very different. A typical day in the office for me is seeing patients with chronic medical conditions or coming in for acute reasons or preventative physicals. I also, in between, spend time corresponding with patients through email or phone regarding results or questions that they may have. Hi, this is Dr. Kalani. It's my job to help patients figure out what's going on, make them feel better, and help optimize overall health.
Chest pain, cough, keeping up at night? Waking up at night.
I also enjoy family medicine in that we are the gatekeeper and help patients navigate the medical system. And one of the most important things is the relationship that I have with my patients.
And open up big and wide, say ah.
Something that usually surprises patients about me is that I am from Canada. I used to play hockey, but I am loving the California weather, and you can usually find me outside with my family enjoying the warm weather.